Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to DIP and Art. In today's class of learning Diwani Jali script, we're going to learn letter lam and kaf. First, I'm writing a letter lam, which I started just like we start letter alif, and then bottom part is very round in shape. Bottom part is just like the noon's cup. And then talk about the last move, which is cutting the first move and then add the decorations at the end. Height of bottom cup should be 3 dots, and then we have 4 moves here. First one, and then moving towards the second one, and third and the last move we have. Don't forget the space between this cup is 3 dots in height and 3 dots in width. Moving towards the letter kaf, we have several shapes for the cup. I'll be discussing 6 of them. First, we make the move just like we make in the starting of the letter ba, and then make a little spiral shape at the end. This is the cup of kaf, and we can add a spiral at the in the start as well. Now rest of the letter is just like letter lam. Now moving towards the second shape. Difference in first one and second one is that there is a spiral at the end, but we add in this one we add a little roundy shape at the end. We have different shapes for the cup depending upon the artist, how he is or she is using it. We can use any one of them. Now there is the fourth one. It looks more pretty. It looks like as we're writing a hamza, but it's not. There is this fifth shape which is similar to the one I'm making, this one. It has more pointy edges than the fourth one, but it both looks pretty. Now this shape have 2 spirals, one at the end and one at the very start. Now you can see the similarities and difference between them. Here I'm combining the letter kaf and alif, which is ka. I'm gonna use the first shape for this, and then let's write a word kun, which is a combination of kaf and noon. And for kun part, I am gonna use the 5th shape, which looks more pretty, I guess. We are combining 2 letters here, kaf and noon. And here's the cap of the kaf, and adding the decorations at the end. So this was the word kun. We write bakar in this way in Urdu language, but when we write in a Diwani Jali script, we write ba, kaf and ra. Ra should be starting from the middle part of the kaf portion, and this is the difference between Urdu and Arabic script. We can relate it. Here is another example. Now time to say goodbye. I'll see you in the next video, inshallah. This is Migra signing off. Fi amanillah.